Breaking all the latest news. Progress. Israel Gaza latest. Israel opens the window. People in Gaza should migrate. Revealed. Gaza between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. local time, 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. UK time. He said the plan came despite Hamas firing. Mortars and anti-tank shells were aimed at opening the road to Israel's forces. Total evacuation window. Yesterday, the army said Salahuddin Road will be open to us between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. local time. If you care about yourself and your loved ones, head south according to our instructions. Colonel Idris Aid. Hamas says 9,770 Palestinians were killed in Israeli airstrikes. The Hamas-run health ministry gave the number. He is one of the Palestinians martyred in Israeli airstrikes. In its latest update on the death toll of close to 10,000, the ministry said 9,770 people, including 4,800. The children have been killed since October 7. Sky News has not independently confirmed this. Iran has warned that the United States will kill Iran's defense minister, citing Iran's defense minister. If it doesn't secure, the United States will be hit hard. Tasnim news agency reported a ceasefire in Gaza. Comments by Mohammad Reza Ashtiani, who he said Iran's advice to the U.S. to immediately stop the war in Gaza and impose a ceasefire, otherwise they will be hit hard by Iran, which supports Hamas as well as others. Militant organizations are also involved in the region. Hezbollah and the Palestinian Islamic Jihad previously said it considered the United States militarily involved in more. The IDF says the Iron Dome was stopped. The drone left for Israel. Israel's military said the Iron Dome defense system intercepted a drone that was flying towards Israel inside Lebanon. It was tracked and controlled through a system and successfully stopped while just finished. Lebanon, the IDF said on its Telegram channel. The military also said many launches from Lebanon to Avivim earlier today in northern Israel. The IDF said it responded with artillery towards the source of attacks. For context, in service since 2011, Israel's Iron Dome system is designed to prevent short-range weapons. It detects when the missile is using radar. It was fired towards Israel. In photos, after the explosion that killed dozens, more photos have emerged this morning. Gaza, run by Hamas Health Ministry, after the blast at the Maghazi refugee camp. It is claimed that 40 people have been killed and dozens injured. Further, videos viewed by Sky News showed the killings reaching nearby Al-Aqsa Martyrs Hospital. The Israeli military has not yet commented. Israel's opposition leader has demanded that Gaza have nuclear weapons. The dismissal of a minister who said the fall was one of the military's nuclear weapons in Gaza. Options. It's one of the possibilities, Right Heritage Minister Amici Eliyahu said when asked if an atomic bomb would be dropped, the Times of Israel reported. He expressed these views during an interview with Radio Kol Brahma. Israel's opposition leader Yair Lapid called the comments shocking and crazy. Prime Minister Netanyahu should sack him, said an irresponsible minister. Morning, he said in a statement posted to X. Mr. Eliyahu is not in the cabinet making decisions that affect conflicts. He tried to return the comment later, saying it was metaphorical. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said in a statement that the minister's words were not based on reality. Please subscribe to more upcoming news from around the world. Thanks.